Hey there, fitness enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating experiment. What happens to your body if you do 30 push-ups every day for 1 month? Push-ups are a classic exercise that can work wonders for your upper body strength. But what kind of transformation can you expect after 30 days of consistent effort? Let's find out. Segment 1, the Push-Up Challenge. Before we reveal the results, let's talk about the challenge itself. Doing 30 push-ups daily might sound daunting, but it's a manageable goal that can be a game-changer for your fitness journey. Push-ups engage multiple muscle groups, including your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. Segment 2, the Physical Changes. After 30 days of daily push-ups, you can expect some exciting physical changes. Your chest and shoulders may become more defined, and your overall upper body strength should improve. Your core will also benefit as it stabilizes your body during each push-up. Segment 3, Improved Endurance. One of the most noticeable changes will be increased endurance. At the start of the challenge, doing 30 push-ups might be a struggle, but by the end of the month, you'll likely find them much easier to complete. Segment 4, Enhanced Muscle Tone. Push-ups are a fantastic exercise for toning muscles. Over the month, you may notice improved muscle tone in your chest, shoulders, and triceps. It's a great way to sculpt your upper body without the need for weights or equipment. Segment 5, The Importance of Form. Remember, while the push-up challenge can bring positive changes, it's crucial to maintain proper form to avoid strain or injury. Keep your body in a straight line, engage your core, and focus on controlled movements. Segment 6, Mental Benefits. Beyond the physical changes, doing 30 push-ups daily can have mental benefits too. It's a fantastic way to build discipline and establish a daily exercise routine, which can have a positive impact on your overall well-being. Segment 7, Wrapping it up. So, what happens to your body if you do 30 push-ups every day for a month? Improved upper body strength, enhanced endurance, better muscle tone, and a sense of accomplishment. But remember, it's just one piece of the fitness puzzle. Combine it with a balanced diet and other exercises for comprehensive results. If you're up for the challenge, give it a try and share your journey with us in the comments below. Did you experience any other changes we didn't mention? Let us know. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more exciting fitness challenges, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. If you'd like to learn more about why 5 minutes of planks every day can change your life, please watch the video on the screen now. Keep pushing towards your fitness goals, and we'll see you in the next video.